In today's video, I will walk you through how to record a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. First, look to the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, select Chart of Accounts. Inside the Chart of Accounts, go to the top right and click New Account. This opens the form for creating an account dedicated to the vehicle. Start by entering a clear and descriptive account name. Choose a name that makes the vehicle easy to recognize later. Next, set the account type to Fixed Asset. Then set the detail type to Vehicle. After selecting the account type and detail type, enter the original cost of the vehicle. Enter the full purchase price of the vehicle at the time you acquired it. This typically includes the amount paid to the dealer, along with sales tax and destination fees needed to get the vehicle ready for use. Do not include ongoing costs such as fuel, insurance, or routine maintenance in the original cost. If the vehicle was financed, enter the full purchase price here. The financing details are handled separately. Review the account name, account type, detail type, and original cost to make sure the information is correct. Once everything looks good, go to the bottom right and click Save. The vehicle account has now been created as a fixed asset with the vehicle detail type and original cost entered. To review or edit the account later, return to the Chart of Accounts and locate the vehicle account. Your vehicle purchase is now recorded in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.